Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Mechanical Stream and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the virtual internship program provided by the Mastercard company. And friend, you can see you will get this type of certificate and anyone can apply for this virtual internship program, whether you are the experienced professionals, freshers or the college going students. And friend, we are going to check all the details, how you will get this certificate, what types of things you have to learn. So let's first check about the Mastercard company. So friend, you can see here, Mastercard is the second largest payment processing corporation worldwide, and it offers a range of payment transaction processing and other related payment services. And friend, they are having their headquartered in New York, United States of America. So friend, it is a multinational organization and it is a very good opportunity for you to get this type of certificates. So you can see here we are at the official page of the Forage who is providing this Mastercard virtual internship program, and you can see the internship is on the cybersecurity. So let's check why you need to join this virtual internship program. So friend, you can see here as the world electronic payment grows. So you can see here we want you to grow with us, and Mastercard is the part of the New York CEO Job Council, a consortium of 30 large New York employers who are committed to employing around, you can see, 100,000 youth from underserved communities over the next decade. And you can see the CEOs of these companies have made a personal pledge to the initiative. In this virtual experience, you will have the opportunity to build skills and learn what it's like to work as a security analyst at Mastercard. And you can see here, specifically, you will help design a phishing email simulation for the security awareness team. You will learn that cybersecurity threats come in many different forms and you don't need a technical background to help keep a company and its employees safe from threats. And you can see here, friend, this is a very good opportunity for you to up skills and strengthen your resume as you explore career options and a potential career in cybersecurity. So you can see here, Bonnie Leff, Senior Vice President at Mastercard, introduced the Cybersecurity Virtual Experience Program. I have given the link in the description box, friend. Once you open it, then you will come to this page and please watch the video, a small video, which is for the introduction of this virtual internship program before you are registering. So friend, you can see there is various benefits available for this virtual internship program. So you can see here, you can complete it in your own time. It is a self-paced, so you can complete it whenever you free. Then friend, you can see gain real work experience. So throughout the Mastercard Cybersecurity Virtual Experience Program, you will develop a deep insights into what it's actually like to work at a Mastercard. Then you can use this certificate in your CV and also on the LinkedIn profile. And friend, it will demonstrate that you are ambitious, hardworking, and have developed valuable practical skills. And I have showed earlier that you will get the certificates. So you will earn a personalized completion certificate. So you can share with prospective employers and your professional network. And friend, once you complete it, then you will build the confidence and practical skills that employers are looking for. And next time you walk into interview, you will be the job ready with experience and understanding of this role. So friend, you will learn definitely something from this virtual internship program. So let's check what things you will learn. So you can see a total 2 modules are available. So first one is, you can say, design a phishing email simulation. So you have to craft a phishing email simulation to be used to raise awareness of one of the most common threats organizations today face. Like you can see skills related to this module with cybersecurity, security awareness, problem solving, then design thinking and communication. In the second module, you can see interpret phishing simulation results. So you have to interpret the performance of the phishing email simulation to deliver phishing prevention training to affected teams. So skills you can see like security awareness training, data analysis, data presentation, your communication skills, how to make the strategies, then design thinking. So this type of skills you will learn, friend. So friend, before going to check the how you will register for this virtual internship program and the certificates, if you are not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe Mechanical Stream. It will motivate us to create more videos for you, and also you will get the notification earlier, and you can register for this virtual internship program or any other videos earlier. So please subscribe Mechanical Stream. So friend, you can see here this type of certificates you will get. On the top corner, you can see you will get the logo of Mastercard and your job council. Then your name will be given. Then you can see the topic name is given. And what types of models you have learned will be given on this certificates. And friend, if anyone want to verify your certificates, they can definitely verify using the link given below at the bottom of the certificates. So friend, this is the certificates. So let's check how you have to register. So friend, for registration purposes, you can see here, you have to click on this register now. So once you click, friend, then you will come to this page. So you can see here 2 options are given. So either you can log in if your account, if not, then you can first sign up with your email. So you have to click on that. And once you click, then you will be redirected to this page in which you can see a small application form is given. So you have to provide here a first name, your last name, then you have to enter your email address, you have to create one password, and then you have to describe yourself, that is you are the high school students, college going, or you are the freshers or the experienced professionals. Then you can select the last one option. Then you can answer, how did you hear about this virtual internship program? So you can see many options are given. You can see the like Google search, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, you can see YouTube. So if you are watching this video, then definitely it will be YouTube. So you can, using that, you can register yourself and complete this virtual internship and get these certificates. And friend, if you face any problem or if you face any query, please comment down the video. We are going to check it and resolve your queries. And friend, please subscribe Mechanical Stream.